So we press comma or dot. We can extend or retract the endpoints of the curve on the left, and then we get the if you want to reconstruct only that portion, you can either click on the second view or just press 5 to reconstruct the tangents. You don't even have to click. Yeah.
I apologize.
Sure.
I discovered something very interesting.
Yeah.
Let me zoom in here.
Yeah.
Right here. You see, if I decrease the endpoint to this region right here.
Yeah.
In green. And reproject the tangent, it goes correctly. The longer I go out this and I start to include this upper side of the curve,
yeah,
the tangent starts to go off. What does that mean? That means
yeah, it's a bug.
This whole curve right here.
Yeah.
This whole curve right here. And reproject onto and get the matching on this curve right here.
Yeah.
It's not the reprojection of the curve that are wrong. It's the tangents that go off.
It's the tangent positions.
Yeah, the tangent positions go off.
Yeah.
And that's not an issue at all. This does show that the incorrect part of the curve is affecting the true position of the curve.
Yeah. So hold that.
This whole section right here.
Yeah.
Let me do something.
Yeah, it's affecting because it's not reducing to the common subcurves the same way the pure point reconstruction does automatically.
Yeah, right? This part right here, if you press 5, I started to fail.
Yeah, so okay, so what let me just for this video, we can debug that soon, but let's just show the UI for the curve, the detailed UI for the curve correspondence. Okay, so if you press the comma and dot, the curve reduces or increases, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, if let's say you click on the curve on the left, let's go on the first view, click on another curve. Right there, right? So it starts with the whole curve, and then you have to press comma or dot to decrease or increase the curve. That's to a subcurve, right?
Yeah, I have to choose two curves right here.
Yeah.
I can.
Right, but the left curve here, when you click at first, when you start this click, it starts with the whole curve. And if you want a piece of the curve, you have to go with the comma or point or dot. Right?
Right.
There is a mode in this tool where you can actually say, when I click on a curve, I can actually use clicking to reduce the size of the curve instead of using dot and comma. Because here you just reduce with dot and comma, then you press S, then it switches the endpoint, right?
Right.
Now, there's an interactive way where you can say, I want to reduce the green, then you click where the green should go. Right, so that's what I'm going to demonstrate now. So go to the switch statement, please. Yeah.
There it is.
So you have U, we already saw that. Can you see the next case, please? So these are the keys that the UI accepts. So you have G. G, no, that's fine. Those you can explore as well, but let's go straight to what we need now. Complete intersections, that's important. Then you have the, go ahead. Now you have the display epipolars, fine, go. Now, wait, Y is to reconstruct the curve, the 3D. 1 is to break to episegs, go next. So this 2 is the whole curve selection mode. That's what I was talking about. So there's a state inside the It's called click selects whole curve or not. Currently, we click and it selects the entire curve. Now go there and press 2. Go to the UI. Press 2. Now click on the curve again. Yeah, and then you click. See the difference?
Yeah.
You can go straight to the curve you want. You want to change the yellow, press S. Press S, now click again. Yeah, see? So this type of detailed tooling is the key to the success of this system. It would be impossible to make it so good without this type of tooling. So yeah, now you can work that way if you want.
So now we can get the. Oh, wait a minute. Now I can get the correct the correct ground truth. I can review the ground truth to get the correct ground truth, right? Without making so many considerations, I can just go ahead and click here and click there.
It might be a better way to do it. It might be, but the way you're doing the ground truth now is the way the system works, because it already builds these sub curves automatically inside, because the system assumes you do this subcurve automatically, but you can use this to find the right curve. But then when you go to the correspondence structure, you have to assign an ID for the entire curve, right?
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's kind of, I know that there is a correct part here, but in the subcurve, there is a correct subcurve, but I need to select the whole curve as a candidate.
Yeah, guys. So I'm gonna stop this video now just to keep it short and sweet for the functionality of clicking the subcurve, but then I'll record another one.